What's up, everyone? Today I'm giving away my favorite full screen alert. This is what it looks like. Pretty cool, right? Some of you may notice that alert took inspiration from Tim the Tatman's full screen alert. And you're right, it did. Now I made this in the free version of DaVinci Resolve, so you should be able to have the ability to edit it in the free version of DaVinci Resolve. Now there's a couple of things I'm going to show you. So you'll notice alert logo and then a .mov and then here's a sound effect. So we're going to go to alert. We're going to go to open in Fusion page. Here's where you can mess with the subdivisions of this background logo. Open in Fusion page. Here's where you can type in your name on this node here. And then these two right here is how you change the color in the actual little animation, right? When you play it, right, you'll see that. Now, obviously, whenever you go to render this yourself, you're not going to want that in the middle. You're going to take that out, maybe delete it, and you'll just render out this project right here. All right, so you'll go to render H.264 and then add to render view. There you go. Once you do that, you'll end up with this little .mov right here. You're going to take that and you're going to put it in the Shatter encoder. Here, clear. Do that. I'm going to include the link to Shatter encoder in the description down below, but you'll drag and drop your .mov into Shatter encoder. You'll select vp9.webm, and then you're going to select max quality and you're going to render it. Okay, so you've encoded the file. It's now a .webm. What do we do next? Next, we're going to go to Stream Elements. I have an example set up for you right here. Okay, you're going to go and you're going to create a alert box. Right? And you're going to go and change, say, your subscriber event, right? You're going to upload the file. Okay. Delete that one. And we'll submit that to this window. Now, we got to change the size of the alert, because right now it's only going to show in this little box. We want it to take up full screen. So to do that, use these settings right here. 2840 by 1875, negative 45.68, negative 423.65. Okay. I'm just going to copy those. Paste. Okay. Now that we've done that, we can save. You can test it out. New subscriber. Ding. All right. Now for the last part, getting it onto your OBS or your Meld. Go to your service, whichever one you're using. Add a new browser. You're going to copy the overlay, paste it into that URL. Make it full screen. Now you're going to have to go add an effect, and you're going to have to add a chroma key. And that's it. See it in full effect? Ding! That's really it, guys. If you enjoyed this video and you enjoyed the overlay, please don't forget to subscribe and like the video. It helps the channel grow. I also want to take a quick second and I want to give a shout out to Demon Lord, our newest subscriber just a couple of days ago, as well as Rachel H. Thank you guys so much for your subscription. I really appreciate it. You guys are awesome. With that being said, see you guys next time.